In partnership, Volunteer Fairfax, the Department of Family Services Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program, and Deloitte volunteers come together to put on this free tax assistance day. When somebody comes in, we verify that they're eligible for the service, and a IRS certified volunteer from Deloitte will do your taxes. So they will walk you through and get your taxes done free of charge, and make sure you have the largest return that you're due for the year. It helps those who have low income wages to be able to bring even more dollars back. Also, by not getting their taxes done at a paid service, they're often saving $150 to $200 as well as getting that big return. We do offer language translation services, so we have Spanish, Korean, Vietnamese, and even American Sign Language interpreters there. It's at the Fairfax Skill Source Center, which is in Annandale, and that is through the Department of Family Services in that location. This is a great opportunity for families to be able to get their taxes done for free. We do offer free childcare as well as these translation services and free food this day. The Deloitte volunteers are using their skills to be able to bring this service to the community. So it's a fun day and you'll get your taxes done, so I encourage you to come out and participate.